All right, what's going on, everybody? You're watching Legacy Tier. I'm DT Crypto, and in this video, I'm going to do a quick guide of the DEXtools.io application. So this is an application that allows for traders, DeFi market participants to get all this data analysis, all this aggregated information from different DeFi chains, whether that's Ethereum, Binance, Phantom, you name it. So it aggregates all of this chain data. So it serves as a great place to make trades, to just get information on tokens and so forth. So just checking out the page for DEXtools.io, it lets us know that it's here to boost the exchange experience, in real-time data analysis at the tips of our fingers, create unique trading strategies, anticipate market movements, search for big spreads, track and copy most profitable wallets, and much more. So there's a lot of ways to collect data before trading. There's people who like to trade basic cryptocurrencies or trade anything. DeFi tokens tend to have very high volatility. So this makes for a good, just a good environment for traders. And they're able to take advantage of the swings in these tokens on different chains by just getting all of the necessary information that DEXtools had to offer. So DEXtools helps you to read spreads, tracks big wallets, tracks even big buys like from whales, which are all essential in knowing when to buy something. But if you're not a trader, it's just a great resource anyway to have information on a DeFi token. So just looking at the home page, you scroll down, talks about some of the features that DEXtools does offer. So they're responsive, they have subscriptions, store data. People can hook up bots so they can take advantage of those price swings you talked about, and just the stats that it offers. Scrolling down some more, they talk about the plans that they offer. So there's different plans, and these plans, as you can see, they do have prices. There's one free plan anybody can use by just hitting the launch app for DEXtools, and they can take advantage of what DEXtools has to offer. But they have a standard and premium plan. As you see here, they're priced in DXT, so that's their native token. They do have a native token, which use case is to access more features on their exchange. They have a roadmap. And then they share a little bit about the DEX token. So they do have an ERC20 version of it and a BEP20 version of it. There's a total supply and there's a circulating supply. So there's a cap supply of this, and there's a supply that's circulating. It says here the DEXtools supply is deflationary. Each month, the DEXtools team burns an amount of DEX obtained from purchases with the project profits. So there's a button here that allows you to buy DEX tokens, the ERC20 version or the BEP20 version, whichever chain you prefer. All right, so let's click the launch application. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. And we see here immediately it takes us to the Ethereum analytics that it offers. So it gives us a nice little DEX board, some highlights and statistics of some Ethereum dApps and tokens that are doing pretty good in other news. Now, here where you see Ethereum, I can click this button and it gives me different chains that I can switch over to, where I can see the dApps on that chain, all the analytics on that chain. So this is called the aggregator, right? It aggregates different chains. Avalanche, Chronos, Phantom. So I can click Binance, and now I'm jumped over to the Binance dashboard, if you will, where I can see some of the hottest pairs right now and so forth. So going back over to this menu side, they have live new pairs. You got Pair Explorer, where I can pretty much search any pair that I want on the Binance Smart Chain, because you see here I'm set for Binance. Multi-swap, I'm set for Binance. So on multi-swap, anybody can add different pairs of tokens that they want and pretty much create their own token pairs. Stats, it has new pair bots. So a price bot can be created. So let's go over to Pair Explorer, because this is typically where people would go, right, if they want to search for a token on Binance Smart Chain, for example. So we see here that the first pair that they give us or that they show is automatically the wrap BNB to the DEXT BEP20 version, right? The Binance version. They're giving us this information from the Pancake Swap V2 pool, total liquidity, the volume, the pool create, the date the pool was created. They give us the number of holders of the tokens, the total market cap. We could scroll down a little bit more. They even give a DEX score. So the DEX score I actually pay attention to. So they try to do some vetting for us. It says a project reliability score based on some things that they look at data wise, but they do give a score on the reliability of a project. You can click here and they have their own swap where I could swap between these two pairs and I could just swap easily. Now, provided I have to connect my wallet. So, you know, if I have my, and for this example, if I have my MetaMask wallet and I have the network on it set for Binance Smart Chain, I can swap for my BNB token for some DEX tokens. Community trust. So they even do votes on community trust. So they do help to vet some of these tokens that are attached to these projects. Trade history, very crucial. This is underneath the chart. Trade history, I'm able to see all the every transaction, right? All the most recent transactions. It says the last 500 trades actually. So just real quick, for example, on the Binance Smart Chain, I'm gonna look up one of my favorite tokens right now. My favorite token pairs, DRIP to BUSD. I did a little TA on this, light TA. So this is a great tool that the DEXtools.io has to offer, right? You're able to use TradingView on here. You know, I could look at certain things on a project. I can look at the number of holders of the DRIP token. I can look at the liquidity in there. Copy address. So this is the DRIP token address. I can copy that. I can paste that into Bscan, and I can look at to some of the transactions of the DRIP token and liquidity if I like. These are some basic things that even if I'm not a trader, like if I'm not using bots, or then essentially I can just see when I would like to buy something, when is a good time. I can go to the direct website. So they have the website here, so I don't go to any scam websites or any alternative websites. So I could check the lot liquidity here on Unicrypt. So this is an application with its own native token with a deflationary supply, which allows users to have different to access different features of this exchange. So that's my quick guide for DEXtools.io. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And also give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also hit that subscribe and notification bell down below so you'll be getting these videos as soon as I put them out to help you on your crypto journey. And until next time,